In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable autoplay media on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this works both on PC and on smartphones, right? So ensure you watch what I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Telegram. These are Telegram, right? Click on this. Click on the settings, right? Click on the general settings. Click on the power saving mode. Right now, you can see the videos right here are automatically on autoplay, right? So I can turn this on, I can turn this off, I can enable this, I can disable this. GIFs, same, enable, disable. Stick animations, all this, right? So this is how you can enable or disable autoplay media on Telegram. So depending on your choice, you can choose the ones you would love to enable and disable, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.